Hi YouTubers, this is Mary. I'm here to update you on my 5th dietitian visit. Only one more to go. I'm excited about that. I lost another 5 pounds in this past month, which makes it a total of 21 pounds in 4 months. That's with the dietitian visits. I'm still pre-surgery. So I'm pretty excited that I've been able to do that. Even if it's not spectacular, it's been pretty steady. I've gone down each month that I've seen her. I mentioned already that I've had my psych evaluation. So I talked to her today to ask her about the process. And I forgot to ask how often they do the physician scheduling meeting. They just had one this morning, so I don't know when the next one will be, but she said she will put my name on the list to start me on the process about what more they want from me sooner. I told her that if it was possible, I'd like to do it before my last visit so that everything kind of fell in place before, as soon as I was done with that last visit. I know I'm being a little optimistic, but I do a weekly trip with my sister to the Bead and Button Show, which is in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's one of the largest bead and jewelry shows in the world, in fact. And we've done that every year for a week, that first week in June. And we've done it for 5 years now, and it's really a tradition. I've already paid for the classes I want to take, and we're both looking forward to it. So I told her that I'd like to have the surgery done enough before that, like maybe 2 weeks before that, so that I can still consider going, or else I'm going to have to wait till it's over. But I wasn't prepared to give it up, especially since I already paid for it. So I can't think of anything more to update you on. I won't know any more until I hear from her, which I don't know when that'll be. And my next dietitian visit is May 4th. So I'm hoping things will happen after that. She did mention to me that they're kind of slow right now, and that the doctors are actually looking for people to do surgery on. So I'm hoping that means they won't be quite so piled up by the time I'm ready in another month. But I'll update you when I know more. I've been enjoying watching your videos. I hope everybody is doing well and feeling happy about their decision to do this. It seems like spring is getting to a lot of people and making them feel kind of anxious about their weight loss and about what's happening. So I'm thinking about you all. Hope to see you soon, and I'll update you as soon as I have something to update you on. Bye-bye.